This is Xavier with Got Mobile, and this is the Samsung Galaxy S10. It's a beautiful phone, absolutely gorgeous screen, but one question you might have is, what's the deal with this little black dot? That's actually the selfie camera, and it's a necessary evil for this display to reach from top to bottom and edge to edge. So this might be a concern of yours, but in my opinion, it's a heck of a lot better than what the Apple iPhone has these days with this giant notch going all the way across. So instead of that, to have this edge-to-edge display, you just have this pretty discreet little dot up in the upper right corner. Now, usually you would see status icons up there anyways, and it's not too bad. So let me show you how this works. If I go ahead and launch the camera app and turn this around into a selfie, you'll see that these apps do a pretty good job of hiding this camera lens. So in most instances, this is not going to be too noticeable. If you want to just go ahead and see me, I'm sitting here with my Sony a7R II filming this. And again, you can see that the punch hole really disappears. It's really, really elegant. And if you're letting that hold you back from buying a Samsung device, don't. It is really not that bad. The trade-off is just fine. According to Samsung, the punch hole will be hidden by developers, including those that they're partnering with. So here we go into a web browser, and as you can see, the bezel, or the faux bezel, I should say, goes ahead and hides it away. So you're not going to get distracted by it. Certainly no more than you would from an iPhone or any other number of devices that have a notch. So this is actually a pretty simple thing. It's taking the camera, moving it off from the center to the far right, and I can see getting used to this pretty quick. Now, another thing that they're doing to hide this is in the lock screens, you'll see that there's a gradient used, going from this dark color to sort of a medium pink here, different hues of magenta. And just by simply doing this little gradient and making it sort of a vignette effect here, I think a lot of developers will copy this and go ahead and just sort of make this dot disappear. If you use this for a few days, you are not going to notice it. The trade-off is you get a truly symmetrical phone. You can see here how I'm holding it in landscape mode, and I've got a black bar here, black bar here. There's nothing in the middle. Here, up here, it's really, really not noticeable. There might be a few apps that you have to access the top left corner. All you have to do is go ahead and rotate the phone, of course, and now it's going to be kind of hidden by your fingers. So again, really not that big of a deal. Please don't just let this little dot dissuade you from getting the Galaxy S10. It's an absolutely stunning device and one of the best phones money can buy. Let us know which model you're thinking of buying, or if you've decided against the Samsung phone for right now, let us know what phone you're waiting for or what you bought instead. We always love to hear what our viewers are using these days, and show us what you're doing with your Galaxy S10 if you end up getting one.